Hi guys, I just wanted to pop in and talk about how I prep meals when we're on the go. As you know, we like the van life, and I feel like cooking is really difficult in the van if you are not prepared. And so I'd like to show you how I just put a meal together. And today I'm going to make chili. This is a hearty chili. So you can see I have a lot of cans out. And whether you use fresh ingredients or Thrive Life ingredients, these are freeze-dried ingredients. So they are gonna last me 25 years sealed, and when they're open, they last me 2 years. So I love using them at home. They save me time. I don't have to wash, chop, and peel, but they also save me time on the road when we're in the van. So we're gonna make our hearty chili and just keep this in the van for when we're ready. We have a little Instapot there. We'll throw that in with our water and we're all set. So here we go. So the first thing that is called for is butter and garlic. I'm just gonna put some garlic in, and the way that you don't have to put this in any order really, because it's all gonna get mixed in the pot, right? So the next one is ground beef, and that is a quarter cup. Let's see, let's put our beans in first because that takes the most. That's a half a cup of beans. These beans are instant red beans, delicious. Make delicious chili beans. We're gonna put in about a quarter cup of sausage, freeze-dried sausage, and a quarter cup of sausage and hamburger. So there's your meats. Now onto some veggies. We're gonna put our onions in, just 1/8 of a cup of onions, 1/8 of a cup of peppers, 1/8 of a cup of red bell peppers. So what I love about this is whether I'm cooking for our whole family or just Jeff and I in the van, it's just scoop, 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 throw in either a pot or like this, I'm prepping for the pot. It makes a beautiful dish right in there. Now for this ingredient, this is a Espanol sauce or a savory beef gravy. This actually thickens up your chili. So we're just gonna do like 1/8 of a cup of this, and that's your thickener, and throw that in. Now you're gonna come over here and we're gonna do a tablespoon of our tomato powder. And all of this is layering flavors. We've got a little beef bouillon, just a little bit of that. And this is what I'm using for lime juice. This is limeade, and it's perfect. You don't need a whole lot. A little goes a long way, so I'm really going light on that. But I don't wanna keep lime juice in the refrigerator of the van. And so I am just using very little on that. Next, we have our Chef's Choice all-purpose seasoning. I love this just because it gives it a little kick. A little bit of cumin. And when I say a little, just a little. And to give it even a little bit more kick, I have a little tiny bit of chili powder. Some people like their chilies really zesty, and there's other people like me that kind of like it not so zesty. So just put in as much as you want. This will be good for Jeff and I to eat. We'll add our water, we'll have this in the van, and we'll have a delicious chili ready to go. So a little prep work goes a long way with Thrive Life. Okay guys, so I'm back because this just arrived. This is a mini Instant Pot for our van. And we cook so much with our regular 6-quart Instapot that we wanted to get a mini one to allow us to cook a little bit more in the van. This is, again, it's a 3-quart, it uses 700 watts. So it's really easy to pull out. And so I'm excited to use this little guy and get some of our meals that we just showed you cooking. Look how cute he is. Look at him. So he is all ready to go. And just to show you the size difference. So he won't take up too much room in our van, and we've got a place for him. And with our Thrive Life meals that we make out of freeze-dried food, it will be perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this hang on, I'm gonna move this guy out of the way. I'm gonna wash this guy all up, and then we're gonna throw in our Thrive Hearty Chili in here with our 2 cups of water, and we will have a delicious lunch. Okay, we got it all cleaned up, and it comes with this cute little trivet that you can steam vegetables on, you can boil eggs. We've even done lobster in our big 6 quart. So we're ready to go with our chili here. So we are gonna open this guy up, pour him in. Look at all those beautiful colors in there. And put our 2 cups of water. And then we will put this lid on, turn it so it locks, and we want the pressure to be closed. And then we're just gonna hit chili right here on the front, and it looks like it's gonna go for 30 minutes. Bam, lunch. Okay, so our lunch is ready. You wanna see this? All right, here it is. That is that wonderful, I know you can't smell it, but it smells wonderful. It's great consistency, and we're ready to scoop that up for lunch. It's gonna be delicious, and I'm gonna garnish it with just a little bit of cheddar cheese from Thrive. And just put that on top like that, and that will just melt into your nice hot chili. So again, give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll leave the link in the comments below for anybody that wants to check out the food. Have a great day.